All right, so my dear friends and family, hope that things are fine and having really good time. So Alhamdulillah, I'm having great time. So after taking lunch, I have come here. I want to share my ideas, my thoughts with you. That's why every day I try to make video. You know very well, guys. So today in this video, I would love to share with you how can we remove our shyness. It's so important. So I noticed one thing very clearly: most of the learner, they cannot speak properly, they cannot speak organizedly. Why? Why they cannot speak properly? They cannot speak English because of their shyness, because of their nervousness, because of their hesitation. So today in this video, I would like to share with you how can you remove your shyness 100% authentically, 100% correctly. So let's learn about this. My dear brother and sister, welcome to my video once again. So actually I want to make this kind of video for my well-wisher, those who are trying to their level best. So those who are really hard worker, those who are really actually want to do something for their life. So this video is really helpful for them, I believe. So first, actually, what can I do? What can we do for remove our shyness? My dear brother and sister, listen carefully. So today I have 4 tricks. It can change your life. It can change your hesitation. It can change your nervousness. It can change your shyness. So let's learn. First, you have to think about it properly. My dear brother and sister, don't think about other people's, like, oh, if I make any mistakes, what will be happen, what people think about me. Don't think like this. Skip it. Just focus on yourself. What people think about me if I make any mistakes? What people think about me if I make any mistakes? And what will be happen if I make any mistakes? Dear brothers and sisters, you know very well, mistakes is a part of learning. So you have to make more and more mistakes. I always say to my student, hey dear, please do mistake more and more. Mistakes is the first step of learning. So my dear brother and sister, you have to accept it. This is the learning. This is the learning system. Whenever you are trying to speak English, you feel so shy, you feel so nervous, and then you don't try to do these things. So my dear brother and sister, you have to accept it. This is the reality. You have to accept it, my dear brother and sister. Second, you have to record video every day. You have to record videos every day. Every single day you have to make video. When I started my English journey, I couldn't speak English in front of camera, in front of public place. But I did it. I never give up. I have determination. I can do everything. I will able to speak English better. I believe it. That's why I'm able to speak English, my dear brother and sister. You have to accept it and try to make video every day. Making video is so important. If you make more and more video every day, you will get so many benefits. Like your mumbling problem will be solved. You may feel hesitant, you may feel nervous. But my thing is, just do it only 30 days. After 30 days, you will see your improvement will be great. I believe it. So just try to do these things. And third, you can make conversation with your friends, with your father, with your mother, and you can make conversation with anyone. So it doesn't matter. Try to speak. You can make conversation. Actually, when do you get free time, try to use it properly. And you can make conversation. It's truly amazing. Real life conversation you have to make, dear brother, sister. So first time it will be challenging, I know very well, because you know very well initiated state is very difficult for everyone. That's why you have to accept it. And last, you can speak in front of the mirror. It's truly amazing way to learn English. Whether you believe or not, it doesn't matter, brother. I used to speak in front of in front of the people, in front of the mirror, because I want to develop my skill. I want to develop my confidence. Actually, this is the real way to improve English, dear brothers and sisters. You have to accept it. And like this way, you can practice English every single day. So just try to do these things, and I believe you can do everything. Best of luck for you. So pray for me if I can make video for you guys. And today I don't want it more longer. See you some another video. All the best.